part one of the snowstorm. Okay. Pretty good thing you came to my room. Yeah, because I know yours is comfy, hot, and warm. But in real life, it's hot. Oh, it's so cold. Yeah. But then there is warm clothes for the dog. Okay. I'm shivering. I'm gonna fly away. Okay. Because they look like ghosts. Okay, look at the snow outside. Yeah, I did. I added some changes. So yeah, don't mind what are those. Okay. Okay, the cold. Yeah, I know. But right now, what? The ground floor is kind of warm, but there's no heaters. What? But that's where we got the heaters. Yeah, we used all of it for our rooms, the living room, and the kitchen, and for outside. Looking down. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Okay, we are done here. Because I said I added some changes. Gosh, this okay. Which one's my character? This one? Okay. Now they look bold. Yes. Let me see something on to eat. Let's eat this spicy. As the it's the last one. Wow, I think it's too spicy. Let me try. You're right. Scotch they use. Okay. Yes, you may go ahead. But then there's like a what do you call that? A roof. Fuzzy. Let's watch the video. Gana. Koştu. What are you gonna say? Alright. The snowstorm will end after a few weeks, like around 5 or either 4, like that. So please stock on food right now. Well, they have to stock on food. Excuse me, it made it bald. Remove this thing. Okay, there. I have to go change. Yeah. I hate. When we change. Yeah. But first, I'll wait for you in your floor. And then, first is that. And then okay, but then there's the little bit yapping and yapping and yapping. Okay, first, just wait till I change and then you. Look at my wallet. Okay. Go, go, go. It's cold. I know. Where is it? There is it. Okay, there. Get my bag. No, not this. I think this one is better. My phone. Okay, go, go, go to the third floor. I left the door. The door is locked. Okay, April 25. Okay. Let's see what to wear. No. No. Nope. Oh, yes. Oh, I can't forget about. I can't forget about my phone. Okay, there. This girl is suspended. What is the first floor? Go, go, go. You hold the groceries. Oh, I put two. Sure. In my friend's mind. That's what we fancy, but she's paying for it anyway, so yeah. Oh, by the way, my friend's name is Giselle. You were here. Like the dog is like hiding so that they can make himself warm. Go away. It's freezing. Let's go get our umbrella. Sure. They went to get the umbrella. Oh my gosh. be careful. Odd. Look, it's good. Pretty good. Yes. Okay. Part 2.